Started off from leaving school, went on to education for 2 years, then I found myself in an apprenticeship at Unipress. I'd done the apprenticeship at Higher National, that was for 5 years. From then, coming out of the apprenticeship, the opportunity of a degree apprenticeship come along, and the company sat us down, talked us through it, says, would you like to do it? Obviously, it's all paid. It's a case of getting it paid for, earning, and still getting the time to actually attend uni. So Unipress are a tier 1 supplier to Nissan, but also supply Honda within the UK. They produce the press parts, the safety critical parts that you see of pretty much the shell of the car. I would say it works very supportive. They understand the fact that I've got to have 20% with the university. They've agreed to that. So it's a case of I tend to work for Monday to Thursday and come to uni on the Friday. Full day at uni. I've got to try and get as much as I can do. The fact that I'm away from it 1 day of the week. But I've got the full day here on a Friday. I've got the weekend to be doing my coursework and stuff. Although you like to have the weekends yourself, the commitment's got to be there. So I've got the case of just trying to balance the best I can, doing task management and just ensuring that I keep on top of the workload. I've come through apprenticeship route as a maintenance technician. Although I'm working in purchasing now, I'm very much still as an engineer's role. I'm working with the suppliers, etc. I'm still quite set in that role. So I thought the manufacturing would be the best option. In fact, I've already got my business and management. Manufacturing was the most suitable option. So I think that it's personal skills as well, personal development. It's not just the case of knowledge-based stuff, it's how I manage myself, it's doing the degree, it's a lot of commitment, and the fact I'm doing it alongside work, it's a big commitment and it's a big workload, but what you get out of it, it makes you a better person, it makes you understand the fact of just how to manage yourself, and I think it'll be a big benefit when I come out the end of it. I would highly recommend it. Great facility, good support and staff, great environment.